Hello, in this video we show you how to replace the valve cover of the valve cover gasket on cars that have the 2 liters TDI PD 16 valve engine. This engine is used in Volkswagens, Audi, Seat, Skodas, Mitsubishis and many more. The car that I'm replacing the valve cover on is Audi A4 B7 2 liters TDI PD 16 valve, but the procedure is very similar for every other car that has this 16 valve PD engine. This is the valve cover right there. To remove the valve cover, first we need to remove this vacuum line. We also need to remove this air pipe and also this timing belt upper cover. Afterwards we need to remove all those bolts holding the valve cover to the engine. First we start by removing this crankcase breather pipe and also the vacuum line on the other side. Next I'm going to remove the brackets holding the timing belt upper cover. I'm using a long screwdriver to just untighten them. That's the timing belt cover removed. Next I'm going to remove all the bolts holding the valve cover to the engine. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Once we loosen the bolts, they're not going to be able to come out of the valve cover, so we just leave them there. Now that all the bolts are removed, I'm just going to lift up the valve cover and take it out. And that's the valve cover out. You can see all the bolts are on the valve cover. Now we're going to put the valve cover to the side. Next I'm going to replace the gasket on the valve cover. I'm going to remove the gasket and replace it with a new one, and I'm also going to clean the valve cover with brake cleaner. And that's the valve cover clean. Now I'm going to install the new gasket. This is the part number for it. Now that the new gasket is installed, next I'm going to put a little bit of silicone sealant on the gasket just to make sure that it doesn't leak. This is the gasket maker that I'm using. I'm going to put only a little bit around those two half moons and around where the bolts are. Next I'm going to put the valve cover back on the engine and tighten the bolts. First I'm going to hand tighten the bolts, then I'm going to use my electric ratchet to tighten them. When tightening the bolts, make sure you go from the middle towards the outside in a crisscross pattern. Once I tighten all the bolts with the electric ratchet, next I'm going to tighten them to specs. The tightening torque for these bolts is 10 Newton meters. Now that all the bolts are tightened, next I'm going to put the vacuum line in its place, the crankcase breather hose as well, and then the timing belt upper cover. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.